3 years jail term for herders violating Ogun grazing law. Ogun State has started. Remember, the southern governor stood up and said, "You know what? We are not going to allow open grazing in our area. We will not allow it." And before you could say Jack Robinson, the northern governors are saying to the south, "You cannot have something like that. How can you tell our people not to be roaming around? It's not acceptable. You must allow them to roam around. You must allow," and you know that these people are the main cause of insecurity in the southern region. Excuse me, what part of it don't you understand? That they are killing people, they are raping women, they are committing all forms of atrocities, yet you guys want us to accommodate them. You guys, I mean, what is happening to us in the north, is it not enough already? What is happening to us in the north, is it not enough? Just in Kaduna, 5 people were kidnapped. Kaduna here, 5 people were kidnapped, and they're asking for 150 million, 180 million, I beg your pardon, so that they can continue to buy arms. And the federal government is doing nothing about it. These very bandits and the rest of them that are committing atrocities, that live very close to Buhari, he has not caught them, but he has gone abroad to bring on the Kano, and you think all is well. My people think again. There is an architectural plan going on, but God will not allow it to manifest, because no man is God. Okay, so in Ogun State, 3 years jail term for any herdsman who violates open grazing law. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. God bless you. A 3-year jail term without the option of fine awaits herdsmen violating new grazing bill, soon to be on the way to Governor Dikbo for his assessment of the situation. The Ogun State House of Assembly on Thursday passed a bill to regulate animal grazing and establishment of cattle ranching in designated grazing area in the state. Mr. Gbolahan, sponsor of the bill, represented the report of the Committee on Agriculture and Forest during preliminary section in Abeokuta. Golayo moved the motion for the adoption of the report, seconded by Shola Adams and supported by the whole House. A section of the bill also prescribed the fortune of the state government of the heads of cattle or livestock grazing outside ranch permitted by the government. Mr. Yusuf, the major leader, moved the motion for the third reading of the bill, seconded by Wahab Yawa North 11. Mr. Deji Adeyomi, the clergy of the house, also read the bill for the third time. Mr. Olakunle Ifan 1, the speaker, ordered that the clean copy of the bill be forwarded to Governor Dikbo for his assessment. Also during the preliminary section, the speaker announced Mrs. Fumilayo Adeyemi as the substitute deputy clerk of the House. Adeyemi, a lawyer until her elevation, was the director of legal service, director of table at the Assembly. This is what the Ogun State House of Assembly, putting the laws together that will start on September 1st, have decreed concerning herders who flaunt the law in Ogun State. So in Ogun State now, from September the 1st, any herder that is seen in area they are not supposed to be seen will be jailed for 3 years. There is no possibility for a fine. They will be jailed for 3 years. That is the new law. And the law has just been, everything concerning the law has gotten to where it should get to. Just awaiting now the governor to sign it into law, because Ogun State have had a fair share of the herder farmer clashes, people being killed, adopted. And most of this thing, like we all know, is being fueled and carried about by these herders. We are all aware. There is no lie about it that these herdsmen are the very ones carrying out these activities. And guess what? Their brother, their senior brother, or their junior brother, or their father, is aiding, supporting, and keeping it silent and pretending like all is well. We all know that there is more to this than beneath the eyes. I'm glad that the southern governors, for once, the position they took with regards to this matter is still ongoing. And for it to become a law, the House of Assemblies in each state in the 17th. I don't know if Imo State will do it. So if you're from Imo State, I don't know if your own governor will do it. So I don't know. I don't know, because we know your governor. I don't know if he will do it. We all know who your governor is. you know your governor. I'm stressing it for a purpose. He does not go to the meeting. He does not send a representative. In fact, he's telling the people of the South that he has nothing to do with them because he does not want to go against his principal, Muhammadu Buhari. He knew how he got there. So trying to say, anything against the Fulani is like going against the biting the fingers that feeds you. If you look at it very well, the man does not agree with anybody in his state. Previous administration is fighting them. I'm not saying that they are right or he's right, they are wrong, he's wrong. I'm just telling you the kind of person he is. All previous administration are a threat to him. Even the people of the state, civil servants are a threat to him. Young men and women, they are either ESM or IPOB, they are a threat to him. Everybody, anybody is a threat to Governor Hope. So Southern governors call a meeting. He will not say why he did not come. He will not send a representative, not even his deputy. He will not go. He will not send a representative. He has nothing. He does not want to have anything to do with them. So when Buhari said, who was in the meeting, will say, I was not in the meeting. But every weekend, like we heard, allegedly is in Abuja. Almost every weekend, the man is in Abuja. Almost every single weekend, the man is in Abuja. So this is what we are talking about. He does not want to offend, Muhammadu Buhari, who went all the way to ensure that he's living somebody else's life or dream, So he has to show gratitude. He has to show gratitude. So right now, he cannot offend Buhari. If he does, he knows what follows. So in Ogun State, the work has started earnestly. Work is already on ground with regards to the law being passed. And so the true position now in Ogun State is that anyone and any header found flaunting the law will be dealt with accordingly. That header will understand what it means to flaunt the law in Ogun State. That header will understand it. So this is some of the things ongoing. These are some of the things happening, and it's important we all, it's important we all work out, this laws in place so that there is no excuse whatsoever, so there's no excuse whatsoever. If we don't do it, then there will be a problem. If we don't do it, then it's like mere words. There is nothing to back it up, so that's what's happening. That's what's going on. That's what's going on right now. There is serious need, for everybody to all hands on deck. All hands needs to be on deck if we are to achieve our purpose, because Buhari is only for the Fulanis. It's just the honest truth. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Do have a lovely, fantastic, and a blessed day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye.